You do not need another degree to break into data analytics. You need the right skills, the right evidence, and the right positioning. In that order. The professionals who break into data analytics fastest in the current market are often not the ones with the most academic credentials. They are the ones with the most relevant, demonstrable skills. Having helped thousands of professionals transition into digital and technology careers, I know exactly what employers look for at entry level. It is rarely what people spend money on degrees to get. Here is the practical pathway into data analytics that does not require returning to full-time education. What entry-level data analytics employers actually want to see. SQL proficiency, the ability to query, filter, aggregate, and join data to answer business questions. This is tested at almost every junior data interview. One visualization tool, Tableau or Power BI, used to present data insights in a way non-technical stakeholders can understand and act on. Excel competency, pivot tables, VLOOKUP, basic statistical functions. Most working analysts use Excel regularly. Employers still test for it at entry level. 2 to 3 portfolio projects that demonstrate real problem solving with real data. Not tutorials replicated. Original questions answered with data. The practical learning path. 3 phases. 12 weeks minimum. Phase 1. SQL and Excel foundations. 4 weeks. Free resources include Schoolzoo, W3 School School, Mode Analytics, and Google's Data Analytics course on Coursera. Phase 2. Visualization and your first project. 4 weeks. Learn Tableau Public or Power BI using their own free training resources. Build your first real project simultaneously. Phase 3. Python Basics and Active Application. 4 weeks. Pandas for data manipulation. Matplotlib for quick charts. Apply the roles in parallel. Do not wait until you feel fully ready. On certifications. Some matter. Most do not change hiring decisions on their own. Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera is widely recognized and specifically designed for career changers. It is comprehensive and employer acknowledged. Microsoft Power BI certification is valuable if you are targeting corporate or enterprise environments where Microsoft tools dominate. It signals a specific, in-demand technical skill. Certifications support your application. They do not replace portfolio projects. A strong project with live output outweighs a certificate without practical evidence every time. The path into data analytics without a degree is longer in effort than it is in time. 4 to 6 months of focused, disciplined work produces results that traditional education takes years to provide. Every month you spend learning without building is a month you are not producing the portfolio that will get you hired. Learn and build simultaneously from week 1. Start today. Pick your first free resource. Set a 90-day goal. Build your first project within the first 30 days. That is the start of your data analytics career. Subscribe to Career Experience TV for practical, honest content on digital career transitions, data skills, and building a technology career without returning to university.